Good afternoon, everyone. It's Izzy here. Anyways, I'm doing a little project here for a friend of mine that, quite frankly, when I searched it on YouTube, nothing came up, and I just wanted to share the information with you guys. So basically, it's this. Engine coolant temperature sensor on a 2005 Express Van 2500, Express Van 2500. The engine coolant temperature sensor on a V8 motor, okay? Most of these have V6s, 4.3s. This happens to be a 4.8, also applies to a 5.4, I believe, and a 6.2. Anyways, it's the location of the coolant sensor. Simply put, on a V6 motor, it's mounted on the driver's side, rear of engine, but on a 4.8 or above, it's mounted on the driver's side front part of the engine, or the front part of the head, I should say. So I just want to show you. I already went ahead and replaced it because it's kind of hard to hold the camera and shoot the video. So here, I just want to show you. I replaced it, but here we go. I'm going to flip the camera. Okay, so I'm going to show you, just going in here, it's right there. You see that silver? It's mounted right there. Here's the belt, that's the power steering pump, and then we have the alternator. So it's right in between the two, and it's mounted right there, dead center of your screen. Anyways, I wanted to show you that for reference. I mentioned that you'll get a fluctuation. One of the things that it'll cause is you'll get fluctuation in the gauge. It'll go up, it'll rise up to like 260, and then a little light will come on saying, check your gauges. It's like a way to protect the user, to call your attention. At any rate, I just want to share that with you. Okay, so if you have any questions or concerns, make sure you leave them down below. Hit the like button and subscribe, okay? So take care of yourself. Have a good afternoon, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. Take care.